This is why you need to know about newts. They're small, colourful and packed with surprises. Newts are amphibians, and they're like the superheroes of the animal kingdom. They've got 4 equal-sized legs, a distinct tail and skin that's semi-permeable, meaning they can absorb stuff right through it. But newts aren't just any salamanders. Their skin's often rough, like tiny pebbles, and they lead double lives, one in water, one on land. They even change outfits. As juveniles, called EFs, they roam the land, then return to water as adults to breed. And those bright colours, they're a warning. Hey, I'm toxic. Newts are pros at self-defense, secreting toxins to keep predators at bay. Oh, and get this, newts can regenerate lost limbs and even organs. Talk about a superpower. From smooth newts in Europe to the toxic Pacific newts in North America, these little critters are true marvels of nature. So next time you're out near a pond or woodland, keep an eye out for these incredible amphibians. The world of newts is one worth discovering.